Hello friends, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on electrical estimation and contracting. So these MCQs are important for SSC exam. So now we start. So here first is the most reliable estimate is. Options are A is detailed estimate, B is preliminary estimate, C is plinth area estimate and D is cube rate estimate. The most reliable estimate is the detailed estimate. Option A is correct answer. The most reliable estimate is detailed estimate. Then second is what should be the spacing between the two conductor if the working voltage is 11 kV? What should be the spacing between the two conductors if the working voltage is 11 kV? Options are A is 76 mm, B is 101 mm, C is 190 mm and D is 250 mm. So the correct answer is option B 101 mm. Means what should be the spacing between the two conductor if the working voltage is 11 kV? Then spacing between the two conductor is 101 mm. Next question is what is the earth resistance value for residential quarters? Options are A is 1 ohm, B is 5 ohm, C is 8 ohm, D is 10 ohm. Correct answer is option B 5 ohm. This means 5 ohm is the value of earth resistance for residential quarters. Earth resistance here we see large power station 0.5 ohm, then for medium power station 1 ohm and for small power station 2 ohm. So in all other cases 5 ohm resistance is preferred. So our answer is option B 5 ohm. Means 5 ohm is the value of earth resistance for residential quarters. Then next question is which type of cable is used for underground service connections? Options are A is low tension 3 1 by 4 core cable, B is low tension 3 1 by 2 core cable, C is low tension 2 1 by 4 core cable and D is low tension 1 by 2 core cable. Correct answer is option B means low tension 3 1 by 2 core cable is used for underground service connections. Next question is which IE rule is applicable to servicemen? Options are A is rule 30, B is rule 33, C is rule 77 and D is all of above. So correct answer is option D means all rules, all of above, all rules are applicable to servicemen. Means rule 30, rule 33 and rule 77 are all rules, IE rules are applicable to servicemen. Next question is which insulating material is used for low voltage cables? For low voltage cable, which insulating material is used? Options are A is impregnated paper, B is rubber, C is silk and cotton, D is vulcanized Indian rubber. So the correct answer is option C, silk and cotton insulating material is used for low voltage cables. Then next question is which among these is a demerit of underground servicemen? Options are A is ugly appearance, B is frequent fault occurrence, C is costly and D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option C means costly. Costly it is demerit of underground servicemen. Next question is question number 8 is what is the maximum number of lightning point that can be connected in a circuit? Options are A is 5, B is 10, C is 8 and D is 12. So option B is correct means 10 maximum number of lightning point that can be connected in a circuit. This question is very important. So next question is what are the type of conduit available? What are the types of conduit available? A is PVC conduit, B is flexible conduit, C is heavy gauge steel screwed conduit and D is all of above. So option D is correct. All these type of conduits available. These MCQs are not only for SSC exam but also upcoming MCQs type exam. These MCQs are very important of electrical estimation and contracting. So next question is what does section 44 refer to? Options are A is penalty for interference with meters. B is penalty for illegal transmission or use of energy. C is penalty for malicious wasting energy. And D is theft of energy. So the correct answer is option A, penalty for interference with meters. Next question is, to prevent the decaying owing to new and rain, the wooden poles are protected by cap at the top. A is aluminium, B is zinc, C is cement and D is all. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Means to prevent the decaying owing to new and rain, the wooden poles are protected by aluminium, zinc, cement cap at the top. Next question is, the main factor to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate. Main factor to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate. A is transportation of the material, B is quality of the material, C is availability of material and D is all of above. So the correct answer is option D, means all of above are the main factor to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate. Transportation, quality and availability of material. Next question is, cost estimation includes the following expenditure. Options are A is pattern making, B is selling expenses, C is tool making and D is all of above. So the correct answer is option D, all of above. Means cost estimation includes the following expenditures are pattern making, selling expenses, tool making and all of above. Then question number 14th is, costing. Costing is a type of job costing. Options are A is operating costing, B is unit costing, C is batch costing or D is multiple costing. So correct answer is option C, that is batch costing is a type of job costing. Then next is, the following material are not used for transmission and distribution of electric power. Which material are not used for transmission and distribution of electric power? Options are A is copper, B is tungsten, C is aluminum and D is steel. So option B is correct, that is tungsten material is not used for transmission and distribution of electric power. Next question is, which state in India does not follow IE rule? IE means Indian Electricity Rule. So options are A is Sikkim, B is Nagaland, C is Mizoram and D is Jammu and Kashmir. So our correct answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir is a state in India does not follow IE rule, Indian Electricity Rule. Then next question is, which rule deals with the supply X-rays and have frequency installation? Rule 30, Rule 39, Rule 73 or Rule 51? So the correct answer is option C, that is Rule 73 deals with the supply X-rays and have frequency installation. Next question is, what are the types of conduits available? A is PVC conduit, B is flexible conduit, C is heavy gauge steel screwed conduit or D is all of above. So the correct answer is option D, means all of conduits, all types of conduits available. Next question is, what are the various types of fuse? A is Kit Kat type, B is cartridge type, C is round type and D is all of above. So the correct answer is option D, all of above. Means all the types of fuse are used. Means Kit Kat type is also a fuse, cartridge type is also fuse and round type is also fuse. So correct answer is option D, all of above. Then next question is, which among these is a method of wiring? Options are A is joint box, B is T system, C is loop-in system and D is all of above. So correct answer is all of above. Means all the methods of wiring. Joint box is also T system and loop-in system, all the method of wiring. So these MCQs are very important and I hope you like this video. In the next video, we see the MCQs on electrical measurement on unit 1. So today's thank you.